How's my daughter? Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. Do you guys recognize anything new? Do you guys recognize anything different? I'm not trying to put in y'all face, but a bitch got new PJs. New PJs, who dis? Like, I was rewatching my old vlogs and I realized I've been wearing the same 3 tight ass PJs. Like, y'all bitches gonna tell me? Like, y'all serious gonna tell me? I don't like that. So I went to Target and I got some new PJs. So I'm coming up on these vlogs with some new PJ drip, okay? So I got 2 packages today. I'm gonna unbox them when I get into the room. But right now, I'm just gonna make something for Madison's lunch. I'm not gonna video that or anything because I'm trying to, like, I don't want to worry about no camera dying, no camera overheating. Gotta stop. No, none of that. So that's what I'm about to do, and I'll check back in with y'all when I'm about to show y'all these packages. So this is a mirror that I got in my package today, Allyiah face, and I know I've been talking a lot about Allyiah face lately, but she's just that bitch, and I'm obsessed with her. Well, let me not so obsessed. I like her a lot. But yes, she posted on her story that about this mirror, and it's low-key expensive. I don't remember the original price, but with her coupon code, I got some money off, even though I don't really need a goddamn mirror. I'm just a hoarder at this point. But yes, I got this Vanity Planet mirror, and it just has the on and off button at the back. I'm going to turn it on, and this is what it looks like. And I think it have 3 different lighting. It's super cute and I like it. And I also got a package from Bath and Body, and for some reason this don't feel like they packed it secure. Hopefully my motherfucking candles are not broken because we're gonna have some problems. So yes, I bought me some candles because I love Bath and Body candles. Like, I've tried other candles, but I'm just not feeling that. So they did have a sale. I think they said buy 2 get 2 free, something along those lines. So I got the Cactus Blossom. Like, this is my favorite scent. Even with the Wallflower, I get the Cactus Blossom, but I forgot to get some because I ran out. But I absolutely love it. And it's crazy because they have a 3-wick candle, but I feel as if when I burn the 3-wick candle, I don't be smelling it. Like, I don't smell it. I don't understand why. I know it sounds weird, but I don't know. I guess something's wrong with my nose. So I just stick with the smaller can. I don't have no problem, but I got 4 of them. Y'all, I'm so drained and tired. Like, do y'all see the Gen Sports under my eye? Like, your good sis needs some good rest. And I'm not even gonna call no names, but it's Madison. Every night this little girl wake up 11, 12 o'clock at night, and she don't go back to sleep until 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. Like, I don't understand why she doing this to me. And I don't know what else to do with this little girl. Like, she's 8 months and she still doesn't have a sleeping schedule. Her sleeping is so off. Like, she'll go to bed on time, and the minute I put her down, she's up. And then she don't want to go back to sleep. Like, I don't get it. But the reason why I came right here, because this little girl thinks she grown, okay? So this sippy cup right here, it comes with a cover and everything. Before, I used to feed her without the cover, like a regular cup. But now, sis is into straws. Like, she's not going to drink her juice or water without a straw bead in the cup. Like, I don't know who she thinks she is, but she's way too grown. So I have Madison's laundry to do, and surprisingly, 2 days clothes doesn't seem like 2 weeks clothes. Because normally, she have a shitload of stuff to wash, a lot of burp cloths, blankets, all of that. And I also need to change out her rags, because I change out her rags quite often. So I'm going to throw out the old ones and replace them with some new ones, but I also need to wash the new ones first before I start using them. And I'm expecting a package for her today with some clothes because I bought some stuff from Old Navy. So I'm gonna wait until that arrives so I can just do one washing. Like, I'm not trying to do multiple washing because for me personally, like, I don't mind washing the clothes, but when it comes to folding them, just kill me. Like, I hate to fold clothes. Like, no lie, I be having laundry sitting in the basket for like a week or two. Don't judge me. This is all the dirty clothes medicine has. Woo! Thank you, Lord. So I'm gonna just go through this and take out all her old rags. These are the new ones that I got. I forgot where I got them from. I don't remember if it was Target or Home Goods. One of the two. And do you guys see my new pajamas? I told y'all I was coming with that new PJ drip. This one was only a top, and I paired it with these shorts. It actually came with its own top, but it was a bit too small because my tatas, they're not as small as they used to be. Well, they were never small to begin with, but they got big. And I wear medium, so I was kind of surprised that it doesn't fit. Like, what? Good morning, y'all. So I'm literally just rolling out of bed. I didn't even brush my teeth or nothing yet. Like, I know my breath stink. You ain't gotta tell me. But yeah, I'm just rolling out of bed. And I might make some breakfast. Like, I don't know what I want for breakfast, but I might not. And today I have an Amazon package to return. I been bought these like in February, March, I think. So today's literally the last day that I have to return it. And I have to return it because I need my money back. So that's basically what my day is consists of. I don't really have anything else to do. I had a date for yesterday, but things didn't go according to plan, so I don't know if it's gonna happen today. We'll see. So I received this package from yesterday. I haven't opened it just yet, but that's what we're about to do right now. And I also need to get a bigger tripod, and I did. I ordered it from Amazon like that same time when I ordered the stuff that I need to return. But the shit's not coming until May. Like, why? Why is it coming in May? Somebody tell me. Because the one that I have is not really practical, but I still use it regardless. So, yeah. Like, this is the one that I bought. And what the fuck is this? Like, it's straight plastic, and one foot is longer than one, and it's just not it. And I think I paid like $20 or $30 for it. For this. Then I need a slap, but I really needed something, so you know, I just settled. So I'm gonna prop you guys up and then get these package open. I need to pop these. So I got a new gadget for this camera that I have. And I also got something for medicine. And something else that I saw all the influencers and their mother using. Oh my god, this is a lot of cooking. So I got these glasses, and I know you guys see this everywhere on TikTok. Allyiah, Shakera, everybody uses this glass. What is this? They gave me this. I think it's to like put on an alcohol bottle or just any bottle. I don't know. But yeah, that's what I got. So I had to change the angle because I figured the light is a bit too bright. About this. So this is that little board with the left. Not my camera cutting off mid-sentence, but as I was saying, I got this board, and it also came with these letters, and this lights up.
And this is the gadget that I got from my camera. It's a mirror mount or car tripod, whatever you want to call it. Let me see if the quality is okay, because they be trying it. Okay, looks durable. Now I gotta figure out how to set this up. This is for Madison. And I got her this 100-word books. She's only 8 months. What the hell is she doing with this? I'm gonna put some batteries in it because I know she's gonna be pressing it up. Yeah, so that's basically everything that I got from Amazon, and I still have more stuff coming because I was in bed stressed and depressed, and I just ordered some things. For these glass, I also see they use the glass straws. I don't know just yet, but knowing me, I'm gonna buy it. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Shakera, period. Yeah, when I tell you it's blazing hot outside, like I'm sweating. And I'm about to put the car mount up to see if it works. Hopefully my camera doesn't fall because it doesn't feel like 550 times. And I haven't even had this camera for like 5 months and it's already broken. So I can't afford for it to fall again. I've been trying to fix this mount. I don't know if it's working. Like, I'm holding it with my hands right now. I don't know what's going on. But I need to get this together. So I arrived at the UPS store. Let me just show you guys real quick. So I gotta bring back this ugly ass container. I don't know why I got it. And I'm also bringing back these bathing suits. And for those of you who don't know, Amazon have bomb ass bathing suits. You heard it here first. This wind right now is going crazy. Like, it's legit trying to blow me away. So. Hold on, y'all. No, I look like a crazy woman. Oops. Hi, I want to return these. Hold on, let me get my barcode.
What's the receipt for?
Okay, so this is one label.
Okay. I need to know which one this is for, okay?
This, okay. For this one.
Okay.
It comes with this too.
So like it's the same item, or like it's a part of the same item, or does this have its own code?
This one has its own code. That's the same.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then this one.
What's that little black thing?
Oh, it's my camera.
Like
I'm vlogging. I do YouTube.
Oh.
Yeah. It's the other one.
You got to go.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Oh, that was quick and easy. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Have a good day.
You too, thanks.
Alrighty. That was fast. After I fixed my hair real nice, this bitch was like, bitch, who you trying to look cute for? You already got a man. Ain't that some shit? Woo! This is where I'm going, guys. I've never been here. It's a sushi spot. I'm not a sushi person. So I guess I'm just here for the steak and whatever the fuck else they got. And I'm really here for the drinks because I haven't been out for drinks in like so long. I'm lying, just last month. But I need a drink. I need to get drunk. Madison is with her grandma, so yeah.
regular drink because the menu is like low-key confusing. But I'll probably take a different drink when I'm finished with the pina colada.
Hello?
How's my daughter?
Come on from the phone. But I'm not like,
She hung up the phone. No, she can't be serious. It's super, super nice in here. Like the ambience is on point.
Pick up the phone.
Bye-bye.
Two things. You don't have to share? Like having somebody down the stairs. Y'all, I got me a second drink. This is a pineapple mojito. This is better than chocolate. I'm telling him I want to go to a hookah lounge. He already tired. He can't hang. Yeah, I want to go to a hookah lounge. Because we got to stay away from Madison. Well, not stay away from her. We got time away from her. Google.com. Google? Yes.